Hello everyone, my name is Milo and this is your vision on Korean's logic and science tutorial lesson. So this is my second look. So today is Chewol Ilil. Chewol Ilil. July 1st, Monday afternoon. Wolyo Il Oho. Actually, my name is spelled as Milo. Add another L here to be translated in English as Milo. Rather than Miro, this is Miro. So today's video is Hangul or Hangul. Let's have a brief history on Hangul or Hangul. Hangul or Hangul has a different spelling but the same in meaning. Just slightly or a little different at both cool as a Korean alphabet. So this Han is also referred to Korean in general, and this girl, or girl is a writing script or a letter. So the difference is Hangul. This Hangul is the revised romanization of Korean alphabet, technically more accurate. And this Hangul is more common and easier for English speakers to pronounce intuitively. As a conclusion, if English has an alphabet with a vowel and with a consonant and vowel, then Korean alphabet too, this Hangul or Hangul. Korea is Hanguk. So Hangul or Hangul has a consonant and vowel. Consonant is Chaum. Chaum. Chaum is Chaum. Consists of 19 Chaum. Vowel is Muum. Muum consists of 21 Muum. A total of 40 Hangul or Hangul. Wait, yes. Yung tama niya.